What up? My name's Koza. This is my 2008 Civic Si 4-door.
Lego, stack it up just like Lego. Stack it up just like Lego. Ooh, damn. Stack it up just like Lego. Pick it up, I'm at the beat with the gang. I put both twins on cocaine. I'm at the Lakers gang, sipping drink. You believe 35K, okay. OT, ship a pack of overseas. Gucci gang shit, double G's on me. I hop off the wheel, dog can't say. Shut me up and pay my hotel fees. Louis boots, out in the summer. Beat up, the pussy like a drummer.
Alright, so this all started with, I just happened to be scrolling down Instagram and I saw this red FD2 with this crazy Widebody Kit. And I'm like, oh, I gotta hit these people up. And message me in English. She doesn't know how to speak English very well, but man, it went from getting a normal Widebody Kit, and then we started talking more and we decided to do everything carbon fiber and just be one of one, man. It just rolled into like this whole huge thing. I've been talking to this guy for like almost, I would say, well, over 2 years, like 2.5 years. This has been in the making, man. It's crazy. Just decided to give me a sponsorship on it, man, and that's where it all started.
I can't stay.
We did everything. The fenders, the flares, the hood. I'm waiting on front and rear bumpers. You know, the diffuser, the trunk, everything. Side skirts. Eventually want to get doors. Maybe do the roof. We put it on. I put it on bags. I did the Rado wheels, 3-piece wheels. I got Brahms seats in it. The veer deck steering wheel, I did the carbon dash, there's some carbon trim pieces on the inside. I'm still going to do some more interior work. Well, Maddie wanted to know about my rice box that's hanging from my lovely mirror. It took me about 3 hours to paint it, believe it or not, and I just put all JDM stuff on it, you know, Tokyo's on it, the, you know, the JDM symbols and whatever else, So it is a boosted K20. It's a stock block. It's a Garret 3071R. Boom, boom, right, Jay? Boom, boom.
Hold up.
With a RSX manifold, custom downpipe. All welded. The intercooler piping's all welded. I had HBI Performance finish it because it was getting cold out. So I was able to get the turbo in, and I ran a bunch of lines and did some of the stuff. So it's running on E85, only E85 tune, only one tune on it so far. It's got to be you know, adjusted a little bit. This is the first time the car's been out in like the last 2 years. We got the hybrid racing fuel rail, 1000cc injectors, and what else? What else do I got? That's it. We're making well, it's dyno tune at 400 horsepower. She rips, it pulls for a Civic.
How much boost?
About 10 pounds of boost. Let's say 10 pounds. Cool. It's boost by gear, so I got the boost solenoid in it. I got the AEM gauges in the dash. I decided to bring it to my dude Calvin at Empire Vinyl, and he helped me wrap the car and put the kit on. The lovely wifey picked the color, but it's cloudy blue. I don't know, man. Calvin put his all into this, and I really appreciate everything that he did. You know, so. All right, so this is my 2008 Civic Si.
So froze, I can't shake hands, I gotta give you a pound. Wait, my bank account quadruple, think I'm still slaying pounds. Who tryna get the dope on the border? Who I brought from East Atlanta, stand my ground like it's Florida. Fuck the judge, fuck the bailiff, fuck the local reporter. Tell the whole truth to my lawyer.
I just want to give a shout out to my dude John that guided me putting the turbo in. My dude Drew that helped me with my bags. Who else? Shout out to HPI Performance. My girl for putting up with my shit. My girl for putting up with all of it. Yeah, man, I think that's it. I don't think else to shout out. I think that was good enough. Oh, and Calvin and everyone at Empire, man. Thank you guys, everybody.
What's up, guys? So pretty much the whole new series that I'm going to be dropping is Wide Open Throttle Media. It's going to be me interviewing owners of like really unique builds, not just like, you know, bags and wheels, or no offense to that, but you know, it has to be something with like a decent amount of character or like a one-off. And the goal is to interview the owner, just find out the backstory of the build, and like just pretty much go in detail about everything that they went through with the car. So if you guys have any people in mind, definitely send them my way. I'm really interested in actually blowing this up and turning it into something pretty big. And one of the bigger goals of this is to actually do a cross-country trip next year and just road trip around the US interviewing some like pretty crazy cars. I already have a few scheduled, not exact dates, but like it's all in the works. And yeah, so hit me up, guys. I appreciate it. If you made it this far, hit that subscribe button. It means a lot. Give me feedback as well. I don't care if you rip it apart, say it's awesome. I want to actually see what you guys think and what I can improve on. So thank you for watching, guys. See you on the next one. Probably next week or the week after will be another interview video. And I'm out. Peace.
The car for.
Oh, I've had the car. Are we video? We're video.
Yeah, it's already.
Sabrina's fucking car in it? Yeah. Babe, move up.